Before this video starts, I'd like to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm back with another tech unboxing. We got the Amazon Alexa Fire TV 4K. So basically what you do, you plug this into your TV and it just gives you access to a lot of common apps like Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, Showtime, Stars, etc. So let's get unboxing. Okay, so this is the box. And so let's open this. It's open like this, and then you got a pull tab. Okay. And here it is, okay? So these are our instruction manuals, or information guides. The cables, power cable, the extender cable, the Alexa powered remote, which runs, I think, Alexa version 2.0, the actual Fire Stick, you see it? Pretty big power brick, and then two AAA batteries with like the Amazon logo on them. Okay, now that I have the Fire Stick, I'll use it and I'll get back to y'all with a review. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also, comment down below how you like this video and what you want to see next time. Thank you for watching.